for Intro to 3D Printing, a lot of what we do anyway is on the computer. I thought, well, this really isn't bad. We can handle this, and this class can be designed as a distance ed course. I was able to show them how to create designs in order to output into a 3D printer.
I think the first thing I did was I put together a snowman. One of the things I printed is lithophanes of pictures that I've taken, adjusting the lighting to make them raise and lower in different spots. I actually printed a dog tag for my dog at home.
We started off with basic shapes, and then we did the monster sculptures, which were a lot of fun, and then I was working on my hand design.
Students also had the options to pick up their prints if they liked. We just shipped out a whole bunch of them as well, so that way they can see the outcome of all their amazing design work that they did.
It was so cool. It was actually really satisfying to just scrape up the print, and then all this thing you've been doing on the computer, like all of a sudden you have it in your hands.
And that tangible experience, I think, is also very important.
Professor Farris taught us so much so quickly.
Even when you run into small complications, you work with the professor, and it's not that big of a deal.
What you're going to do is hold your either command or control button down, and you're going to select all those objects. And when you do, that little window comes up that says combine, and then you can export that. I like to teach the students on how 3D printing can be meaningful for every discipline, whether it's in the medical industry or business or science. What they're creating could have some connection to their area.
It sparked an interest in me in doing 3D printing.
Don't be intimidated at all. It's a ton of fun, and it's actually really, really useful